Welcome, today in front of me TCL Tab channel, and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So to do that, let's first select the screen where we want to add the widget, and after that just hold for a while your device screen and then click here to the widgets icon. After that you can see here all the available applications with widgets you can add. For example, we can see that the contacts app has only one widget. In clock we have the two widgets like the calendar and Chrome. For example, the Google Drive has just 4 different type of the widgets. And just to add here the one from the switches, for example the calendar app, we can see here the schedule or the just month view, the full month view. Just to add the widget, hold it and drag it, for example, to the right upper corner. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And if you want to move the widgets between the screen, no problem, just hold and drag it here. And also we can create the new screen with the widget, that's also not a problem. And if you want to remove the widget, just hold it and drag it here to the right upper corner. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.